What's going on? It's Rock from Rock Shop. What's happening, Captain? I'm going to let you know how to hook up your Brother ql-700 thermal printer for Windows 10. Everybody's been having that problem with the driver. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I don't have screen share right now because I just got a new tower because my other one took a and we're going to show you, so let's get into the video without any further interruption. Okay, here we go. Excuse me if the lighting isn't perfect. I'm going to try to show you exactly how to get your driver to work for Windows 10 on your ql-700 Brother thermal printer for eBay, you know, whatever you use it for, whether it be reselling or, you know, blah blah blah. So you got to go to, because when you get into your editor, let me see, move all these out of the way. I got all this other crap on here. I got all my templates up for I'm going to move them real quick, get them out the way. Alright, so let's try to do this. So when you go into your P-Touch editor, it gives you an error and tells you that the driver is not installed. So now I can click on it, I'm fine, it goes right on, it loads it up right away. There's your editor. Going to load it up, boom, bang, bada boom. Alright, so we are going to exit out of that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What you need to do is you need to go down here and you need to type in device manager. So all you got to do is just type in right down here for Windows 10. It'll pop up. There's device manager. You want to click on it. I already have it open. Right here, here it is. You want to look for your printers. So scroll down to printers. I already have it in. You want to click on Brother QL. You want to right click. Don't double click. Right click. It'll say update driver. I'm not going to do it because I already did it. Click on that. It will update the correct driver from the internet, and that will stop your problem, and you will be good to go, and you should be able to use your printer. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I will try to answer them as soon as I can, and that should solve your problem for the ql-700 for Windows 10. Thank you. Please subscribe, comment at the bottom, subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this informative video. Okay, one more thing that I failed to mention: when you're shipping your labels, if you're doing this from eBay, you're going to want to have Acrobat, Adobe, which is right here. It's a free download. You don't have to pay for it, so don't fall for that paying for it baloney, because you don't have to. I think it's this one, getadobe.com reader. That's exactly the one that it is. Okay, put your operating system in, blah 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 blah. Then you're going to want to download that. It's going to come with mine came with McAfee with the virus and all that other stuff, but you don't need that. You can go into your system and delete that. So it's just not another program running. Depending on what you have for your virus protection, McAfee is actually a good virus protector. So here's what I'm going to show you what happens when you have that. We're going to ship our item. I have my item right here. Obviously they are jeans. This is the scale that I use. Is a very good scale. I recommend the Accutech. Or you go on USPS.com, get a free. You can get a free one. Sometimes you have to pay for them, so I'm not sure how that works, so don't quote me on that. We're going to, here's the pair. We're gonna print our shipping label. That is a padded flat rate. Please use, or a flat rate envelope. Please use the flat rate envelopes and padded flat rates. You will save a ton of money. So we're gonna put our flat rate envelope in. We don't have to update it. It's already there. See, $6.75. Make sure that your you have it right when you do it. Okay, we're going to purchase our label. What you're going to do is you're going to cancel out this window that pops up because we are using Adobe. It is a PDF file reader. You're going to cancel that out and you're going to download the label. From here, you have your Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is what I'm using, which is free. You're going to download the label. Make sure that you have the right printer. I have a ql-700, which is a very good printer. This is the second time making this video because I had to delete some things from my phone because I have too many things on my phone. You're going to have to go into properties and you're going to have to change the label type to a 7-inch postage label. And hit OK. It will change the format. There you go. The size. And then everything's set right. Print the label. And voila. There you go. Make sure you download Adobe Acrobat. I hope that this video was helpful. Subscribe, smash the like button. I'm out. Okay, there you go. I hope that was helpful. A lot of the things that I've been seeing on the internet about getting this brother ql-700, getting your printers set up on your Windows 10. I have Windows 10 Pro, which I just purchased. It's a very good program, really fast. It's a good printer. I have a Dell. I'm not sure what it is. It is a 780, Optiplex 780. I purchased it used. It's souped up. It's really nice. But anyway, I hope that this helps you guys and you're not jumping through all these hoops to try to get this done. If you guys have any comments, don't hesitate to ask. Leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the support if I get any. But I hope that this makes it very simplistic for you guys, because all the shit that I've been seeing on the internet is either beating around the bush, brothers telling you that it's not going to work on Windows 10, which is bullshit. It works. I just showed you how to do it. I hope that you guys can wing it, get right through it, and get on to doing what you guys do. What I do is I resell, so I have to have a good printer. I got my thermal. I don't have to buy ink. So I hope that helped you guys out, and peace out. Now see how fast that was? It took me all day to figure that out, and I think I found it on the internet. Somebody had something posted in a forum or some type of whatever comments on a site somewhere, but it took me all day to figure that out. So this will make it so much easier for you guys, and you can skip all those steps. I'm gonna try to get it posted as quick as possible, and hopefully it will get out to a lot of people, and that will be the end of it, because there is nothing on YouTube or anywhere on the internet that thoroughly explains it, and it's so simple. All you have to do is download the driver directly through the system. Boom, done, over with. I mean, I installed, uninstalled, everything, and nothing was working, and everybody's like, oh, call brother, and they're going to tell you that, you know, all this bullshit about how it doesn't work with Windows 10. Bullshit. It works. It's fine. I got my labels up and printing. I'm going to ship my 15 items. Peace out.